Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unboxing Kranio design Casio world timer. Bought this from my friend Hector. I actually had, well, not this exact watch, but I had a Kranio design watch on the channel a while ago. That one was on loan. I really enjoyed it. I like the idea behind it, so I'm going to unbox this. I've already pre-sliced the box. It has the shipping label on it, so I'm just going to open it off to the side here, and we'll set it on the table. So yeah, the Kranio design watches seem to always be out of stock, or maybe I'm not going on there and looking often enough, but they always seem to be out of stock every time I look. And another company just came out recently with a very similar style type case to this, so I'm going to try and get one of those as well. So yeah, I really like this watch. I like the idea behind it. Not very many digital watches with a stainless steel case and a sapphire crystal. There's the G-Shock. Actually, no, not even the stainless steel G-Shocks. They don't have a sapphire crystal. They have mineral crystal. But if you step up to the titanium square G-Shock, then you get a sapphire crystal. But those are, I think, $1,700. This here is about $220, I believe, from Kranio Design. But Hector put this together, and then he sold it off, and I had to snap it up. So yeah, let's see. Actually, I have my other world timer right here. I need to change the time on this. We're in different time zones. So this is the plastic one. Quite a bit of weight difference. So I still have a few of these. I think I have 2 of these Vario straps still. I'll put one of them on here. And then I'm going to try to get the SKX mod Casio world time case as well, and we'll compare all 3 of these. I think I'll use this guy for that one. And actually, I have another. Let's see here. I have another world timer watch that I found. I was going through some stuff. I kind of redid my studio here, and I found this one. So yeah, I'm not sure why I bought it. So probably for a giveaway item. Maybe I'll give this away one of these days here. So anyway, just a real quick short unboxing video here, and I think I'm going to order the stainless steel of the SKX mod case, so it'll be black with the stainless, pretty similar looking to that. So let me know what you guys think of this watch. Yeah, kind of crazy spending $220, $240, whatever it is, to modify your, I believe these are $20, $30 Casio. Alright, as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.